In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive on your desktop. Whether you're trying to manage your storage or ensure that your backups are properly set up, knowing how to locate your WhatsApp backup can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Drive. You can do this by navigating to drive.google.com in any web browser on your desktop. Once you're there and you're logged in with your Google account, you'll see your main Drive interface. This is where you'll typically store documents, photos, and other files. But today our focus is on something more specific, your WhatsApp backup. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll notice various options such as My Drive, Shared with Me, and more. What we're interested in is the option labeled Storage. Go ahead and click on Storage. This area of Google Drive is where you can view everything that's taking up space in your account. This includes the files directly in your drive, as well as backups from your devices or apps like WhatsApp. Once you click on Storage, you'll likely see a list of files and folders sorted by their size or name, giving you a sense of what's consuming space in your drive. Within this section, you're looking for an item labeled Backups. Click on Backups, which will take you to a new page displaying all the device backups saved under your Google account. This is a useful feature because it separates your regular Drive files from your device or app-specific backups. In this Backups section, you should find a list of backups made across devices linked to your Google account. Search through the list until you see a backup labeled WhatsApp or something similar. This entry represents your WhatsApp backup data. It's important to note that Google Drive stores WhatsApp backups in a specific section to keep them separate from other media or documents, which is why you need to go through these steps to locate it. By following these instructions, you can easily find your WhatsApp backup, ensuring everything is being saved as expected and managing your storage space efficiently. Remember, routine checks can give you peace of mind that your conversations and media are safe and sound. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated your Google Drive to locate your WhatsApp backup. This small yet vital process helps in managing and safeguarding your important communication data. Thanks for joining me, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on managing your digital life.